how to add bank to EveryDollar. So here's how we can do it. First, you have to know that this is a feature only available with EveryDollar Premium. And here are the steps. First, we will need to sign into the website, so everydollar.com. Then we will click the accounts icon in the upper right corner, so it should be right here. Then we have to search for our bank by bank name or the website. So for example, First Bank, just like that, the example that's given to us. If you already have another bank account added, we will click the plus sign, plus add account to search for a different bank. Then we'll be prompted to share using Finicity. Finicity is the third-party provider that they use to authenticate the connection between the bank and EveryDollar. So manually enter the same login information you normally use to sign into your bank's website. Don't use an autofill. And be sure to answer any security prompts once if it's required from you. After you have signed into your bank account, you just click on connect, and that's going to link your bank with EveryDollar, and that's how you do it. It's safe, it's completely it's easy to do. So hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.